Did you know saving 3 to 6 months of your living expenses is very important? Yes, you want to have money saved for your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. And you can do it. You can save the money with small amounts of money. When you get small amounts of money, every time you get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up all over time. Yeah. So in this 52-week savings challenge, we're going to take small amounts of money every week and put it away for our 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Now, the money that will be saved in this savings challenge will not be quite your living expenses, but it will go towards your living expenses. So join me and stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergency, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2026. Let's save more money in 2026, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you'll be happy when you have money to tap into if an emergency comes. Yeah. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 5, which I do on Fridays. And this one is a little different from the emergency fund savings challenges. This one is focusing more on 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Oh, y'all gotta excuse me today. 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. So what you need to do is sit down and calculate what your living expenses are for the month. Multiply that times 3 and start eliminating things that you're spending money on that you don't need. You'll be surprised, you have more money than you think you have. So once you get that calculated, you want to start putting money towards that. Now, this savings challenge, last year's in 2025, the amount was to save $6,000 within the year of 2025. And that savings challenge was completed, but I didn't get that video up. Okay, it was completed. So this is a new one, but the goal I think is going to be for $5,000 this year, not $6,000. If you want to make it $6,000, you can. Now, this $5,000 can go towards your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, because 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, that can be a lot of money. So, you want to work in small increments. Yeah, that'll help you. So anyway, this is what we're going to use. This here, okay? This photo album. Okay, I had 2 of these, and the one is being used for the $10 savings challenge, and I took the paper out of this one and put this purple paper in here so I wouldn't get them mixed up. This one is going to be stuffed with this $100 bill. So what you need for this is a photo album, and this is just one I got from Dollar Tree. I know they have those ones you can order, and I thought about ordering one, but I thought to myself, you know what, just get that one you got and make that work. The thing is, try not to spend money that you don't have to spend. I got money to order the one. It's a really nice one. It's 100 envelopes, and it's kind of small and compact, but I thought, you know what, we're gonna make this one work. So anyway, this was the cash stuffing binder that I was using. Remember this one? I really like this one, but I decided I needed something that was a little bit more easier. because that video was being kind of lengthy, and this will be easier just to stuff this with this. Yeah, very easy. So that's why I'm using this, because it's just easier and more convenient. Yeah, I got a lot going on. I always say that, don't I? So yeah, now, why do we want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses? In case something like this happens. This here. If something like this happens and you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance. You can still buy food. It's nothing worse than being in this situation and having no money. If you don't have any money, if you're in this situation and don't have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses saved, you'll be running out getting one of these, and running up a bunch of these, which is this. We want to stay out of this because it keeps us in a hole and keeps us from being financially free. And that's another thing, we want to be financially free. We want to stay out of this because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Yes, now this is good because this can help us to become financially free and have passive income. Just make sure if you go into something like this, whatever you're going to use the money for is something that's going to be profitable. Okay? Yeah. And another thing that can help us save money for our 3 to 6 months of our living expenses if we don't have these. Just say this was $500 and this was $300. That's $800 a month that can go towards your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Now, if this is your situation, do whatever you can to increase it. You want to have multiple streams of income, and that will help you to be able to save money for your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. And I feel like this is a great savings challenge, because if this is your situation, you have money to tap into. Now you have money. If this is your situation, you can maybe still get money out of your salary, however you get paid, and put towards your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Now, I know, some people may have children. That way their finances may be this and this. They may have children and when you have children, children cost money. They're not free. And with today, with things going on, kids got cell phone, iPads. Look, yes, I have children, but they are grown and gone. That's another reason why I can do things with all these savings challenges. My money is not going on children. They are grown and gone, and been gone since 2000. Yeah. My children are grown and gone, and I understand. So that's why we need to increase our income and do whatever we can to, have money coming in. Now, and another thing, if you live on less than what you make, watch your spending. Staying out of this. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. Go to the grocery store, buy food, and meal prep. That will also help you to be able to save money towards your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. And if you, when you're in the store, if you're a person that likes to go to this place or any other place and, fast food place, you can go to the store and buy this coffee. You'll have more coffee and spend less money, or whatever kind of coffee you want. You can buy, and you'll have more coffee and spend less money. Yeah, so let's go ahead and take the time to read our daily affirmations. We're calling those things as being out as though there were. Death and life is in the power of tongue, and we have what we say. We're going to believe it, expect it, and receive it. And speak this with power and authority. Write them down and say them as much as you can every day, all day. Okay. I decree and I declare large sums of money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account and savings account balance is, and say what you want it to be. I decree and I declare all of my bills are paid in full. All of my needs are met. I decree and I declare I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare I am now financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. I decree and I declare I am a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire right now in the mighty name of Jesus. Yes. So believe it, receive it, expect it. Start visualizing it, seeing it in your mind. Because when you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Yeah. Okay, so like last week, I had filmed this video for this savings challenge, but I didn't get a chance to put it up. So I said today is going to be the first one for this year, 2026. Yeah, so we're stuffing this with $100 bills. See? Okay, let's go ahead and add our $100 bill in here. $100. Yay! Okay, let's go ahead and record. I want y'all to know I thank you all for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, whatever you all do, and supporting, and whatever you all do. Okay, and I'm you know what? I'm glad that you all are participating in these savings challenges. I know you all are letting me know in the comments. Okay, so today is Friday, January 9th, and this is our cash. Does this pen work? Oh, does this pen work? Yeah. Cash stuffing binder. We added $100, and the total amount is $100. Yay! Oops. I hit myself in the face. Okay, I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. You all have a safe, wonderful day. And drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.